Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again. So today I'll be talking about why good grades is not all that matters. In as much as good grades is very good, I actually recommend all my students to do well in the academics to get a good grade. Yeah, I recommend that because I myself I graduated with good grades by God's grace. Okay, in as much as good grades is good, don't just be a bookworm. Try to do other things. Try to do other things that would increase your chances of getting a job offer immediately after you graduate. Yeah. So what are some of the things that you can do to boost your chances of getting a good offer after graduation? The first thing is doing internships. When you are a student, there are time for breaks like summer breaks, winter breaks. So during this period, when you have 1 month break or 2 months break, you can look for a company and do internship there. If you are into medicine, you can go to hospitals and do internships there so that you can get 1 or 2 skills. And when you get these skills, you have something to write in your CV, because a lot of companies know that fresh school graduates, they don't have any skills, they've not worked anywhere, so it's almost like if they employ them, they will become a liability because the company will have to teach them most of the things. Yeah, there are companies that teach people most of the things, quite all right, but what if you apply to a company that doesn't have time to teach you anything? What would you do? So you have to try and use your summer breaks very well. Try and do internship. Look for a company that is related to your course, do internship there, get as many skills as you can. And most times these internships are not paid because they are teaching you actually, so you must be willing to do internship without being paid. It's better to spend that 1 month in a company and learn something than just being on your phone every day, playing football every day. I don't know, just wasting your time every day. Instead of doing that, why not use it and go to a place where you can do internship and actually learn? Another thing you can do to boost your chances of getting a job offer immediately after university is by doing volunteer works. There are a lot of places that you can volunteer. You can look for all these non-governmental organizations and volunteer there. As you're volunteering, you are also learning something, you are helping out, and as you are helping out, you are learning something. At the end of the day, they can give you a certificate or they can give you a letter of acknowledgement if you want one. So this certificate is just to prove that, oh, I volunteered at so and so places and these are the things I did. And these volunteers, you can add it on your CV. Now, another thing that you can do to boost your chances is writing research articles. Now, this one is not just boosting your chances of getting a job. This one is boosting your chances of getting into a master's degree program or a PhD degree program. Like most of the schools that you apply, they will ask you, oh, have you done any research work? Have you published any article before? So when you are an undergraduate, it's actually the time that you should use and learn how to write research articles. I mean, there is YouTube. You can learn how to write on YouTube, or you can look for people that already know how to write research and you can learn from them. If you can publish at least 1 research article, you will boost your chances of getting a master's degree program or even a scholarship. Yeah, a lot of master's degree program come with scholarship. PhD degree program come with scholarship. PhD degree programs come with scholarship. So if you can write a research article, you can boost your chances of getting a scholarship for master's degree or PhD degree. Yeah, so don't just be a bookworm. Don't just study from morning to night. Try and do other things. Attend conferences. Like look for conferences that are available, register, attend, go and learn something, and at the end of the day you come back. And not just learning, you can also decide to participate in the conference. Like, you can register and tell them, oh, you want to present this particular topic, and if they allow you, you get to present at the topic, at your topic at the conference. Like me, when I was in school, I attended some conferences, and at one of the conference, I did this thing. I presented one of my research paper, and I'm so glad I did that, because if, let's say, tomorrow I want to apply for a higher program, I have a lot of things to write on my personal statement. So all these things, internship, volunteers, research, these are the things that can boost your chances of getting a job offer, boost your chances of getting into any university of your choice on scholarship, and also help you to have what to write on your personal statement or statement of purpose when you are applying for school. Yeah, so don't just be a bookworm. It's good to be a bookworm, but also do other things with your life, like participate in other things that I have already mentioned. If you like this video, please share this video to your friends, comment, like, share this video, and thank you so much. Bye.